everyone, welcome to Tips from Stella Wellness. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive new video notifications. Celery is a vegetable that you commonly enjoy in soups, salads, and lots of other dishes. But did you know that it is packed with nutrients and healing benefits, and has been used in folk medicine to treat a number of health issues? According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, the vegetable is packed with fatty acids, fiber, minerals like sodium, calcium, magnesium, copper, potassium, zinc and iron, vitamins like vitamin A, K, C, D, E, riboflavin, thiamine, folic acid, B6 and B12, making celery a very powerful vegetable. Now let's dig into the health benefits. Number 1, prevents and reduces high blood pressure. Celery contains organic chemical compounds, phthalates, that are said to lower stress hormones in blood. In a 2009 study, celery was revealed to have hypolipidemic effects that allow blood vessels to expand, promoting reduction of blood pressure and the risk of stroke and other heart diseases. Number 2, lowers cholesterol levels. Several studies show that celery consumption may reduce clogging of arteries by cholesterol. The phthalates in the vegetable have cholesterol-lowering effects, and the fiber in the vegetable absorbs cholesterol from the bloodstream, promoting total cardiovascular health. Number 3, contains anti-cancer properties. Celery can help protect the body from cancer, especially breast, lung, intestinal, and leukemia. It contains chemoprotective compounds called polyacetylines that help fight against cancer formation and reducing toxicity. The flavonoids in the vegetable also help in neutralizing free radicals. Number 4, lowers inflammation and boosts the immune system. This is due to its flavonoid and polyphenol antioxidants contents, and hence helps in preventing and treating asthma, arthritis, gout, skin diseases, irritable bowel syndrome (IBD), kidney and liver infections, urinary tract infections, and other inflammatory diseases. Number 5, boosts digestion, detoxifies the body, and gets rid of bloating. This is because celery contains a compound known as butyl phthalate, which has diuretic effects. The effects also reduce water retention in the body. Number 6, prevents and relieves ulcers. According to a 2010 study, celery was found to contain a special type of ethanol extract that protects the lining of the digestive tract from ulcers. The vegetable promotes overall gut health. Number 7, improves liver health for people suffering from liver disease. This was determined by a study that was conducted at the Department of Nutrition and Food Science at Helwan University in Egypt. Number 8, promotes weight loss. The vegetable boosts metabolism, helps regulate lipid metabolism, is extremely low in calories, and yet very nutrient dense. Number 9, fights against body infections due to its antimicrobial properties. As shown in a 2009 report, celery contains special antimicrobial components that give the vegetable ability to fight against growth of harmful bacteria in the body. And lastly, celery relieves migraines by suppressing release of nitric oxide to the brain, prevents cataracts, and promotes eye health and protects against macular degeneration, and also calms nerves due to its calcium content. So I hope after this video you will go grab some celery. I like to consume it as a juice or in smoothies. How do you consume your celery? Let me know in the comments below. And well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media. Let's also connect on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Subscribe for more if you've not yet, and hit the bell button for notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and do not forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.